Perfectly fine.
Oh no.
Perfectly fine.
I left Smokey in the door. Yeah, I was like, I'm so sorry, Smokey.
Ding dong. Better go see who that is. And it is boys, and they are not wearing shirts.
Even though you had room to walk out.
Because I have no pants for them. So they're not going to be wearing pants. Come here. Oops. Yeah, I'm not going to be trained. What is that? Just probably like a camera to, you know, look at the place. Huh? You'll be over here. I'm trying to sleep here. Get the thing out of my face. Yes, I am so handsome. I may be Chinese, but I am not. Excuse me, where do I sleep? Over there. I got to go find a cafeteria. I gotta go find a cafeteria. I heard there's gonna be one. Yeah, she killed me. She killed me, mother. Look at all my blood on my face. To be continued. Dun, 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 dun.